The NFC Least is living up to its pejorative nickname. Following the Washington football team's dismantling of the Dallas Cowboys, 25-3, on Sunday afternoon, Week 7 will end without an NFC East team reaching 3 wins. It marks the first time in NFL history that every team in a division earned fewer than 3 victories through Week 7, excluding strike seasons per NFL research.
It's a new low for a division that's been more hype than substance for the past several seasons. NFC East Standings through Week 7: Eagles 2-4-1 Washington 2-5 Cowboys 2-5 Giants 1-6. The first-place Philadelphia Eagles are on pace to surpass the 2010 Seattle Seahawks 7-9.
438 win percent for the worst record by a division champion in NFL history. The NFC East went 2-2 in Week 7, only because they played each other, with Washington besting Dallas and Philadelphia coming from behind to beat New York on Thursday night.
7 more games between the division rivals remain before the season ends. Someone has to win this division. That team will host a postseason game.
As Washington coach Ron Rivera knows after his Carolina Panthers won the 2014 NFC South Division at 7-8-1 and won a playoff tilt, anything can happen in the postseason. Each team is heavily flawed in its own way. Matchups make fights, but prepare for a bevy of pillow fights down the stretch to see who comes out on top.
Like a train wreck, the NFC East is rarely pretty, but the world will continue to watch, often in prime time, as they bumble around the gridiron.